Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and some of the questions concerning the low latency profile that Microsoft has announced for Windows. Some insiders now have it in their builds, and for the most part, almost everybody that is using it and has the low latency profile turned on, either because it arrived in their Windows operating system or because they turned it on with Vive tools, which also can be used to do so. I'll mention that there is a boost in performance and that it is visible. It is visible as you're using Windows. It is visible as you're using apps. And pretty much everybody agrees that it does make a difference. So some of the questions are coming that, for example, one is, when will I know I have it in my PC? Well, it's going to pop up and it's going to be there, and it will probably be announced by Microsoft that they are pushing the new feature, especially now that they have said that the A/B testing will be over, that in the near future. Now, when we get new features, everybody gets the new feature. It's not going to be on some PCs only, so hopefully that's what's going to happen with the low latency profile. And it should actually show, you should see a performance boost where the CPU will be temporarily boosted to higher frequency performance so that it can actually run in certain times and then come back to normal when, for example, opening an app, things like that. And this is what makes the big difference here. Will there be a setting to turn it off, to tweak it? Well, right now what we see is that those that have it, there is no setting. It just shows up and it's there. It's like on Mac computers. Mac have in the Mac OS, they have that type of low latency profile setting, and it does not have any setting. It's something that just runs and helps boost the performance of the operating system. And this is how Microsoft is pushing it. No setting. It's just going to be there, and it will improve speed and performance on your computer. So the other questions is, when is it going to arrive to everybody? Well, that is a question of time, not necessarily a lot of time, but since we have it in the insider rings, it means it will eventually make its way to everybody somewhat later this year, maybe in the summer, maybe a little later. Microsoft seems to say that it's going to come in Windows 11 quite fast, so it might be very soon, actually. And so the best way to see it is what performance. If you see your PC starting to get a little faster, well, or really faster, that means it might be on now. A lot of people are talking about battery life and all of that. Well, you know what? It will probably respect and be used in a way with the different profile settings of, performance within laptops. Definitely. You don't want to have a situation where you push a new feature to make things faster, but because of, that increase in speed, you have less battery, for example. So it probably will take into account the energy profile you're using on your PC and the performance profile. So this is going to be interesting to see because it is definitely a big, big difference. I've seen a few people say there's no difference. That's because you don't have it. It's as simple as that. If you really had it, you would see a difference. I haven't seen anyone say they haven't seen a difference when they turn it on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.